Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, that is about x to the power of 4 to the power of 2, because number 4 with number 2 we have number 8. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x to the power of 4. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 4x to the power of 3 dx. First derivative of this one, that is about this one. Because number 8, that's about number 2 with number 4. So, in this situation, this one we change by u. 4x to the power of 3 dx we change by du. So this one I can put outside the integration. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 10 secant of t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to number 10 secant of t tan t dt. So I need to put this one going here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 100 secant of t square. 100 we can do about factorization, and this is the reason why we need to set up about u equal to 10 secant of t, because we can create about secant of t square minus 1, and later that we can do about factorization by number 10 in here. So this one we have 10 t square. The square root of 110 t square we have 10 tan t. Later that we simplify by 10 tan t on numerator and denominator. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 10. And we got about t equals to a secant of u over 10. So I need to put this one to change for t. So we have secant with our secant, that's about this one. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.